Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own embroidered iron-on patch. Patches are such a great way to liven up a jean jacket or a bag, and we've included 2 free designs for you to create your own on your embroidery machine. Once they're complete, you can iron them on or sew them to anything you like. I'm going to use a plain white canvas type material as my base. Denim also works well for patches, but you want to choose a fabric that is fairly firm and has some body. For my stabilizer, I've chosen this sticky stabilizer to keep my canvas nice and flat. You could also choose to hoop your fabric with a good cutaway stabilizer. As I want my patches to be fairly firm, I'm also going to float this heavier tearaway stabilizer underneath my hoop. If you choose a sticky stabilizer or an adhesive spray, you may want to use a super non-stick needle, so your needle runs smoothly through the fabric. I'm choosing to stitch my design with Polyfast. Polyfast is a 2-ply trilobal polyester, so it has a brilliant sheen and is strong enough to withstand a bit of wear, should you decide to put the patch on a bag. Polyfast is available in 210 colors, so you can easily find the right color for every design. As always, I will be pairing it with this 80 weight Deco Bob pre-wound bobbin to keep my design soft and my tension consistent. I will also need some fusible web, such as a heat and bond, and some fray check. Hoop the sticky stabilizer paper side up in your hoop. Then score around the edges with a pin and pull up the paper to reveal the sticky side. Smooth the base material over the center of the hoop. Then I will slide the heavier stabilizer under the hoop for that extra firmness. Open the design in your embroidery machine, thread your machine with the first color, then begin to stitch out the design. Changing colors as indicated on the machine. Once your design is completely stitched out, remove the fabric and stabilizer from the hoop and cut around the design, about 1/4 of an inch from the border stitching. Turn your patch wrong side up, then place a piece of fusible web, paper side up, and with the fusible side against your patch. and iron in place. Now, with your patch right side up, run a bead of fray check all along the border stitching line. This will help to keep the fabric edges from fraying once the patch is cut out. When the fray check has dried, use a sharp pair of scissors to trim closely to the border stitches, taking extra care not to cut into the stitches themselves. Now, run a second bead of fray check along the edges to further weld down any stray threads. Once the fray check has dried, the paper backing can be peeled off the patch, so you can iron it onto your chosen article. You can then choose to stitch it down if you like for extra security. Adding a patch to your clothing or to a bag is a great way to add some whimsy to your style or to show your patriotic spirit for Canada Day or Independence Day. Let us know in the comment section below what you like to dress up with patches. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video and hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.